How to fix Discover Bank not open account. To fix the Discover Bank not open account error, what you can do is simply try to use your desktop web browser if the application is not working or vice versa. And also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply switch to a better network. And also try to disable any active VPN services or ad blockers. Once you do this, all you have to do is now proceed to match your information exactly. Verify your phone line, use full legal name, and also make sure to not add the PO box's address. Physical residential address is highly required. Once you ensure all of this, you simply have to go ahead and try to relaunch the official website or application and try to log in, and try to create an account, which should fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.